I'm Doug Caldwell with the University of Florida IFAS, Collier County Extension. We're at a property today where they've tried to establish sod and it's failed several times. So the sod is saying, I'm not happy here. We're going to look at alternative ground covers, alternative shrubs that don't require as much water and fertilizer.
And I want to welcome and thank Doug Caldwell from Collier County to help us with our makeover and show us how to transition this space that needed some TLC.
It'll be a lot more interesting with a variety of shrubs and ground covers. We're looking at using plants that have low water and nutrient requirements. We need to conserve water and we need to minimize fertilizer applications because fertilizer has nitrogen and phosphorus, and we don't want any more of that in our environment than we need. So we're protecting the aquifers from leaching from these nutrients, as well as nitrogen and phosphorus running off the property down to the street, into the street drains, and into Naples Bay. We don't want that. So remember, if you are fertilizing, the recommended blend is an 8-2-12-4 with as much slow release as you can get. And you want to use about 1 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So you have to do a little math on that and read the label, follow the directions. Wow, Michelle, what a difference. You've had a conversion of sorts here to a Zen garden.
Yes, welcome back. You might remember we removed what was left of the grass that was not doing well here, and we replaced it with the shells and the lava rock and some stone and mulch.
Melaleuca mulch too.
Melaleuca mulch.
Good call.
With the environmentally friendly program. No worries about pesticide or fertilizer going into the environment, and I can turn off my irrigation system on this zone. And my rain barrel provides most of the water for all of the watering needs, for the bromeliads, the bonsai plants, the bird bath.
Brilliant. I really like that bonsai over there. If you want to get more ideas for your little hidden away spot that ground covers don't grow too well, including turf, I'd suggest you go to the University of Florida, Florida Friendly Landscaping websites, and our extension office at 14700 Immokalee Road is available during the day. Call first, 239-252-4800, and we'll get you some more ideas. There's so much you can do with these little nooks and crannies besides growing turf. I'm Doug Caldwell, otherwise known as Dr. Doug Bug, helping you to beautify your landscape and protect our Florida waters.